Bob, the Tiny House Builder, and today is a really special day. We just delivered the very first tiny house to this all-natural lagoon that's behind me. This is an actual water park that uses no chemicals to clean and filter their water. Not only does this waterfall look cool as a feature, but it also serves a very vital function. It's adding oxygen back into the water as the water falls over. Some of the other really cool features about this pond or lagoon is we have this really cool river, also a from zero to infinity beach that goes all the way down to almost 10 feet. Underneath the waterfall is actually a really cool grotto where you can actually walk underneath the waterfall or even jump through it. So it's a really funny story on how this whole thing came about. I got an email back in February. It was about 1 line long, and I really didn't think much of it. When I made the phone call and I started to talk with the Dells organization, and they described to me other projects that they had done and really tried to explain how this whole water park thing was going to come together. At the end of the conversation, it was, you really just got to come out and see it. So after coming out here, seeing what they were doing, visiting some of their restaurants in town, getting an idea for the style and vibe of what they were trying to portray, that's how we came up with this exterior with the very dark wood and the copper. And although the outside looks really cool, it's nothing compared to the inside. So let's go take a look. So this is by far my favorite tiny house that I've ever designed and had the pleasure of building. One of the reasons I think is because of just all of the different features. Everything is an element of surprise. When you think something is one thing, it actually turns into something else, or when you thought something was going to be bland and boring, you're greeted by this beautiful kitchen, and just the overall setting of this place is so classy. So let's go check out this loft because it's really cool. So come on, let's go. See, as you come up into the loft area, you'll see that we've got a large queen size bed up here, plenty of room for 2 adults or a couple of kids, you know, depending on who's gonna stay. We wanted to make sure we had a lot of accommodations. And a nice large egress window, brings in a ton of light, and just a really nice place to hang out. Let's go check out this bathroom. So when designing the bathroom, it was really important that we had a space that didn't feel claustrophobic. We realized that the people that are going to stay in these homes, you know, they have bigger homes, so we don't want them to feel uncomfortable. So we definitely designed a very spacious bathroom, plenty of place to set things, a large vanity, a regular sized toilet, a large 4-foot shower. But one of the things that's also really cool is we didn't want to waste any space, and we also wanted the guests to, everything they touch, we want something to happen, right? So we made this really cool pull-out storage. So I can't tell you how many times I've been in a shower and then I don't have a towel. So with this, we wanted to make sure those towels were really accessible and right next to you. So that's pretty much it for the bathroom, but let's go check out the family room. There's a lot more of this convertible stuff there. So if you thought that cool feature in the bathroom was something interesting, wait till you see the stuff in this family room. Take this couch, for example. Right now it's a couch, but to turn it into a bed only takes a snap of a finger. Pretty simple. Actually, you gotta take all the cushions off, flip it, but the benefit is you've got a full-size queen mattress here. So to put it away, well, for the purposes of this. So one of the other things that's really cool about this house is this really fancy hutch. The hutch is really cool just because TV comes up out of the top, the front flips open, you got a nice table, and then the TV will go back down. The kitchen, it was so exciting for me because we got to do something really high-end, fine detail, and since there wasn't a lot of space to work with, the budget for the kitchen, we were able to accomplish a lot more. We wanted to make you feel like you were still at home and incorporate all those same kind of features that you would find in your normal house. So we installed a nice size microwave, a full-size refrigerator, a 2-burner top. We made a very custom cabinet that has some really cool copper hardware. We wanted to do something very special for the shelving, so we ended up using the same bamboo countertops that we used in both the kitchen and the bathroom to create the shelving. The 2 lower shelves are truly floating. The bar that's in the middle of them actually supports both of them, and we ended up just putting a little bit of silicone behind the shelves just to help with vibration. But the way that they're designed, they truly do balance themselves. Then the LED backlighting really sets off the herringbone backsplash that we were able to incorporate into this kitchen as well. Well, listen guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tour of this very cool tiny house, an awesome resort that you can now stay at. For more information about how to rent this house, please click the link in the description below. Also, please remember to like, comment, and share this video, and I hope you have a great day.